Hi everyone! Welcome back to another video with Wonderful Boys, and today we're actually in Seoul, South Korea. And the hotel we're checking today is
the Aloft Seoul Myeongdong.
So to get to this hotel, right, it's actually about 1.5 hours away from the airport. So what we did is we took the K limousine, which is like an airport bus. We can book online, buy the ticket, and then go to the bus stop, which is just outside the airport. And it takes about 1.5 hours, and stop right outside, opposite actually the hotel. So you just need to cross the pass and come to the hotel. So if you want to take private transport, it's going to cost you about $60 to $100 or so, and it will probably stop you at right outside the hotel. So you don't need to bring your luggage up and down the steps and all that. So and also around here there is some shops just below the hotel, some shopping option and some food. So there isn't really like big malls and all that, but it's about a few minutes walk away only to go to Myeongdong Station, the subway station, and around there it's just a lot of shopping options, food, skincare, makeup, clothes, a lot of things are there, even though there's big malls. And also there's a nearby, it's just walking distance away, is the cable car to the Namsam Tower. Yeah. So that's one thing to take note as well. And the room category we got today is?
It's a 1 king bed guest room located on a higher floor. So this is actually about the same size as the live-in category room, and it's just on a higher floor. So it's not large, it's about 22 square meters, but I think it looks fairly okay. And location wise, as mentioned earlier, is quite decent. So we're going to show you the room itself, we're going to show you the property, and also breakfast, as well as maybe a quick look about the around this area.
And if you are new here, now you subscribe, just scroll down a bit.
Yeah.
Help us improve our algorithm by subscribing, turn on the notification bell, and you will be notified when we post new videos. So without further ado, shall we check out the room?
Yeah,
let's go. Welcome to the room. So this room has got 1 king bed and it's located high floor. So it's actually the same size as the live-in category room, 22 square meters. It's not that big, but there is some space right in front of the bed which we will appreciate, which I will show you later on. Okay, once you come in here, on the right side here, your right side, this is where you put the card key to activate the power and all that. And this is the torchlight in case in the middle of the night there's earthquake, whatever. So this is for you to check. And on this side, right side, the left side is where the wardrobe is. Here, hanging area, some hangers, shoes you can put below, bedroom slipper, and over here you can find the laundry bag. And inside is where you find the bathrobe and all that. Okay, and opposite, this is where you find the mirror, full-length mirror for you to check yourself. Make sure you're well dressed before you go out. And behind this door, it's the toilet. So it's a very simple toilet, nothing fanciful, but it comes with a heater seat and water bidet. But of course this doesn't come up by itself. It's okay, I got my hands. So, but I appreciate the heater seat, especially in winter. Okay, free standing shower, no rain shower, so it's just a handout shower. Okay, and the amenities are right here, dry bar. And right behind me is where the vanity area is. Very standard amenity, toothbrush, small towels and all that. Okay, nothing fanciful here. Okay, this is loft. And right opposite where the mirror was, or opposite the toilet, this is the minibar area or the pantry area. Okay, there isn't really a minibar, it's just a pantry. But it does come with an espresso machine with 3 capsules. Kettle here. This is for the ice cubes, which I don't think you will need because it's winter. You should be drinking hot water or whatever. Okay, and here is the safe, and right below it's the fridge. Okay, I don't know why they put the bottled water in the fridge, because it's winter, we want non-chilled water. It's okay. But moving on, this is where the bedroom is. Okay, it's carpeted. And this space was the one I'm talking about. Over here is where you can actually lay out your luggage. Because it's winter, we all have big luggage, a lot of clothes, thick clothes, so you probably need to just lay open and get your stuff. Okay, and right here is the king size bed. Beside two, on the both sides, you will find power points, which you will appreciate because it's the international plug. Other areas, you might need to use the international plug. Okay, but so if you want to do charging, just do it right beside your bed. And the phone is right on this side. And opposite is a small TV. This is probably just, I don't know, 32-inch, but it's okay, it's a small distance, so it's not that bad. And right beside here, this is the work desk station. Okay, again, here do have two international plug power point, HDMI cable, the port here. If you need more power point, there's one below, but that is actually you need the international plug. Okay, so right beside it is where the lounge area, or rather settee area, for you to just sit. This, I guess, is another place for you to put your baggage. And the view here is nothing much, it's just a city. Okay, and yeah, all you see is just cars and buildings, and that's all. Something interesting is that this building here, it's just not the usual modern buildings that you see. It's those a bit more old school kind, which is interesting. Yep, so this hotel doesn't really have much things, but we'll still show you breakfast tomorrow when we go. And yeah, that's about it.
Okay, good morning. So we're now having the breakfast service here at Aloft, and this is the Nook restaurant, and we're in the basement level of the hotel. So it's quite spacious. There's lots of seats around and not too many people throughout our stay here. This is our third night. And yeah, let's take a look at what they offer. So first of all, beverages. There are chilled juices like this orange juice, as well as a green tea, sour plum. And these are chilled juices, not fresh juice. And also they have black and white coffee, and also selections of tea, so no cappuccino or latte or that kind of thing. And moving on to the food items, there are quite a number of items that you can choose from. And we just took a plate here. It's like a Western plate, and we can see the eggs done your way. You've got scrambled eggs together with what is that thing? Vegetables, grilled vegetables, potatoes, samosa, grilled tomatoes, as well as a French toast. So it does look quite appetizing. There are also some other local or Asian items like porridge, fried rice. If that's something that you like, I think it'll be okay. And there's also a noodle station, and you can see here, this is I believe it's the vegetarian broth with again the condiments and also the ingredients that you like. You can put shrimps inside, and they prepare for you nice and hot in this very cooling weather. There are also a selection of pastries which we did not take today, but honestly the pastries weren't very good, so that's why we didn't take it today. And a selection of fresh fruits, not too many here. Here we have grapes and oranges, and there are also pineapples that are available, and banana if you like that. Finally, we also took the yogurt. This is a yogurt bowl. You can see we can put a different kind of ingredients if we want, the different seeds, nuts, and also cranberries, which are, I think, quite nice here. And so yes, this is the breakfast service at Aloft, and yeah, we're going to dig in, we're going to enjoy the food. And I'll just do a quick summary about this day. You know, this hotel location is actually pretty good. The room is clean. It's a bit small, I would say, 22 square meters. There are lots of bigger rooms in the city, but I don't really have too many complaints. The heating is good in the room. We didn't feel cold at all, even though it's really cold outside. And so yeah, not too many complaints. And we hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. And if you do like it and have not subscribed to our channel, do consider doing so. If not, we have more content like this right over there, so do check them out. If not, we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.